What is up, Royal Auto City family? Hold on to your seats because Toyota just broke the internet. Look at your screen right now. This is the all-new Land Cruiser Highlander concept. And honestly, this thing is a certified monster. They took that classic, rugged Land Cruiser boxy shape and turned the luxury dial all the way up to 11. Look at that front-end massive blacked-out grille, blocky futuristic LEDs, and that slammed white lower lip. It looks mean, wide, and demands absolute respect. Now let's talk about this exterior because this two-tone tuxedo paint job is pure wealth. You've got that clean gloss white on top, contrasted with a deep, moody metallic black across the main body. But the real showstoppers? Look at those wheels. Those are massive, deep-dish chrome turbine rims wrapped in low-profile rubber. This beast isn't hitting any muddy off-road trails. It's built to flex on the pavement. Even the rear LED light bar has crazy red detailing. It is sitting absolutely pretty. But wait until you see where you sit. Step inside this cabin and boom. This isn't a traditional SUV interior. This is straight-up private jet status. The entire cockpit is wrapped in premium, diamond-stitched cream leather that looks incredibly plush. You've got a massive central infotainment screen, a clean digital dash, and check out the floor's integrated blue ambient lighting strips that make the whole interior glow like a spaceship. With that massive panoramic roof letting the daylight in, this is the ultimate luxury flex. No cap. So Royal Auto City family, what's the final verdict? Is this custom Land Cruiser Highlander an absolute smash? Or did they make it too flashy? Personally, I think Toyota completely nailed the assignment. If you are rocking with this build, do your boy a massive favor, smash that like button, subscribe to Royal Auto City, and drop a comment below with your raw thoughts. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace out.